Jafom nono, o kadhi. O kadhi. Chon ne nyako ok som. Koro omiyo ka naneno notama somo, koro nyithinda nadwa nyaka som ng'ama an go.
My name is Deborah Keller. I am the Executive Director of the Mama Sarah Obama Foundation. Mama Sarah never got an education. When she was growing up, a girl child was not allowed to go to school. So she was denied an education. So her dream is to leave this legacy of great school in this village of Kogelo.
Yes, the current state of the school lacks so many things. It is an old school which was started in 1948. The buildings are very old.
The challenges I have is that the classroom that we have is not very good facilitated because we have potholes in our class and some always have jiggers and the roof always leaks when it rains and the rain always comes in our class.
Bringing in other people.
Some of the challenges we have in this school is that some of the children come from far places and we need the kitchen so that the cooks can cook for us. And even in our school, there's not enough toilets.
Mama Sarah has been taking care of orphans ever since time immemorial. She has taken in kids over 300. Right now, she has kids who have graduated in university, and she even have other kids right here in the school that she's sponsoring, buying their uniform, making sure they're fed. So she's always a champion for children's education. Mama Sarah is 94 years old. There's an urgency why we need to do this now. Mama Sarah always tells us that I'm living on borrowed time. People my age are long gone. Being the fact that she was denied an education, she would like to see this legacy accomplished while she's still here with us. So that's the need for us to complete this beautiful campus that we have a vision and she had a vision for, that we're all here in support to help her achieve this dream.
When I grow up, I want to be a teacher so that I can add enough knowledge to the peoples of Kogelo so that their brain can enlarge. And because we don't have a library or enough books, I cannot, because I don't have things to enlarge my brain.
I'd like to urge everybody watching this video to come on board and help Mama Sarah realize her legacy plan. It doesn't have to be money. If you have building materials, would like that donated to us. If you're a builder, you can come help us build. If you have books, donate the books to us, because as you can see, this school lacks a lot of resources. So the village needs a lot of help, and it takes a village to raise a child. And nowadays, a village has become a global village. So I'm asking everybody, come on board. Let's help Mama Sarah realize her legacy plan while she's still here with us.